Hi guys, what's up? Today I have one trick that you can record cool video that is amazing and beautiful by using only your iPhone. To do this, let me tell you how it's working. You have your iPhone, iPhone 5S, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 11, whatever iPhone you have. Step 1. Go to the screen recorder of your iPhone that you have. If it is iPhone X, just scroll down, then hold on 2 seconds, then turn on microphone below. Step 2. Then go to the camera photo part, then choose filter, I mean which color that you like, and start your video. When you finish, you can crop your video. And that is the trick. If you like it the trick, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.